Hey dudes, in today's video I'm gonna show you the process of hand carving a bear out of this, a Gava wood. By the way, I have no experience on doing it, but somehow I came up with this. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this kind, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and share. Let's go! I know it's not the safest way to do this, but it was what I had. And I used a big screw to support the piece. At this point I was thinking I screwed it all up. The things I've learned on the internet were not working. I realized this wood was especially hard to deal with, and I thought it would be impossible with the tools I had at my disposal. Just to make things worse, I couldn't find any videos about carving out of a Gava wood. That was the first time I really considered to give up. I changed the position and I needed to force the screw in with the hammer. And guess what? The support board broke. Yeah, I lost the battle, but not the war. I developed some sort of weird technique in which I use my legs and feet to stabilize the board. That's why I'm using these beautiful socks, to protect myself from splinters. But as you can see, I was going somewhere. I drew a substantially different bear at the beginning, and it was like I was releasing something that was already there. I know it sounds crazy, but as Michelangelo said when he was sculpting the V, I just took off what was not the V. I know I'm just a tourist in this art, but I kind of understood what he said. I was so focused for so many hours that I created a solid image of what could come out of this, and I really could picture a bear underneath that excessive wood. For the first time in this whole process, I started thinking I was doing it right, and at a certain point I just started doing by feeling, allowing myself to do what my intuition says. Every step was pretty unpredictable, and I couldn't stop thinking about the similarities with composing a song. There's no theoretical knowledge in this world that will completely guide you in an honest creative art process. There's a lot of moments when you must follow your intuition, instinct, spirit, or whatever you want to call. And that was the most pleasant moment by far. Once my old man told me when you apply the varnish is when you discover the wood's secrets, the unique characteristics of it, its true identity. It's like a fingerprint. Every wood has its unique pattern. It's always one of a kind. I guess it is a good time to say why I chose a bear as my first carving project. I decided to do that to remember my Russian days. It reminds me of the good 6 months I spent there, in St. Petersburg. My room had a pretty cool copy of Morning in a Pine Forest on the wall in front of my bed. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have anything you would like to say, please don't be ashamed and write. I swear I'm gonna answer all the comments. I wish you all peace. See ya!